This is the 60 pack of the Nova Purifying Eyelid Cleansing Wipes. I've been using these guys for a couple of months now, and they help me a lot when I go to bed and when I wake up in the morning. Now what you get with this is you have the pack of the 60 here, and then they come stuck together like this, kind of stuck together, easy to rip apart right down the middle. And then each pack has this tear tab, and what you get in that pack is a moist towelette. And this is actually a pretty sizable towelette, and it's moist enough to where it does not drip, but it also makes sure that you can get your eyelids very well. Everything that it says on the packaging here, no rinse, no stinging, I can attest to. I've never had these sting whatsoever, even on days that I've had really dry eyes. So if you are looking for a great pack of eyelid wipes, I would highly suggest this to you. I've used them. I really like them.